one also. Now, we didn't catch any fish today, so I just ended up going to McDonald's and getting myself a fillet of fish. Boy, they just do not want to bite. You get them right off the bottom, and pull them right up. They look at the lure, you just go right back down. Nothing we could do today. The barometer was pretty good, but we had a really serious cold front that came through, and that's probably the problem. So we're going to go back again tomorrow and try possibly a different lake. See you in a little bit.
Look at his back.
I know.
You want him?
Really? What are you using?
It's crappie minnows. And
That's what we're doing. We got one. That's it.
Oh,
but
really?
there's tons of them down there.
yeah, I mean they were a lot. It's slow. I just threw a small one back, but it was a lot. He had 4 up before I could even get my lines in when we first got here, and that was.
And you're about 23 feet of water.
That's 25.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been kind of slow. We've had 3 that I've gotten up at between 8 and 10 feet. They came in high, and
Yeah, some that are like 5 feet off the bottom. It's just...
yeah, that's where most of ours are. But But even the high ones, the last two high ones over there have not gone. They haven't turned over for us.
Nice.
So,
I even got tip-ups for northerns, and
oh, there's tons of northerns in it.
I know it hasn't even popped up. So
Millions of hammers.
we had a real lively sucker minnow on it. It put my flag up. I was like,
Oh,
dude!
really?
I went down. I was like, ah, man. All right. I'm just switching over.
Look at that. Grab them, bump and fly that right? Still got my medal. Let's get you some. Show the fish on your graph too. Back it up. Yeah, so I can pick it up.
Now, as you can see, it wasn't too bad of a day today, but even a bad day of fishing, it's still a good day. Got half our limit. Well, actually, 10's our limit, but we got 6. So what I'm going to be using today is the Bubba blade. And so I take my soapstone. This is 2,000 grit. Over here is 1,000 grit. You want to run it under some water. You just want to do a couple strokes. Get it extra sharp. Oh yeah. Best knife on the market by far. The Bubba blade. So I'm going to fillet one of these fish on camera. The rest I'm going to do on my own leisure time. Just to show you guys how to do it the right way. Alright, so we'll put these fish over here. Alrighty. This is the biggest one. This is a 10-incher that we got today. So what I like to do is I like to get right under here. Right there, see? You can see it close here. And I'm trying to look for right here. So you want to go straight right here. Stroke, stroke, just get right through that meat there. And then you kind of want to go to a little angle right here. You want to get as much meat as you possibly can. Okay? Boom, boom. And so now you want to look for the line right here that goes all the way down here. Take your knife and just fish tail it right on through. Try and feel for them bones. Get your thumb under there. Don't get your fingers in front of that blade because it's pretty sharp. Just kind of work your way around, just like so. Get as close as you possibly can. All right. Once you get past the dorsal fin, which is right where I'm about to, right there, you want to go feel and go puncture all the way through the back side here. Boom. As you can see right there, I'm all the way through. Now you want to angle your knife downward a little bit so you can get right on that spine, and you want to get as much of that meat as you possibly can down through the tail. Now my wife doesn't like it when I just cut the heads off and just do it like that, so I'm going to show you guys how we fillet them. But the tough part is right now trying to work your way through. I know she's still flapping here. They do that. Okay, you want to feel and feel and feel. Cut through. Yep. Just peel it back as you cut. Peel back and cut. And just do multiple strokes because you want to try and get as much meat as you possibly can. I see him having a little hang up right there. No big deal. You want to feel them ribs. Get around them ribs as tight as you possibly can. Look what you're doing. Now, even though you got a 10-inch fish, you're not going to get a lot of meat on a 10-inch fish. But these are very good eating, for sure. So it looks like that's about all the meat we're going to get there. Go right through here just like so. And you come back and just be wary of where your fingers are and just kind of pull back, pull back, pull back. And it's kind of you got to figure out where you want to put your fingers. Let's just go like this and cut away from myself. Cut away, cut away. There we go. We got a fillet. All right. Do the same thing on the other side. Go right here where this wing is and get as tight as you possibly can. And you want to look for the gill right behind the gill plate and go down. There you go. There you go. And if you want to make sure they don't squirm on you, you can always go like that, right through the brain, and they're dead. If that bothers you. Okay, now we keep on going this way. Just cut as tight as you possibly can right down this side of the dorsal fin. When you get to about here, it's time to push the knife slowly until you get to right here. Okay, angle the knife downward, just like so. Get as much of that meat as you possibly can. And back to this again. Ooh, yeah, she's still squirming. It doesn't mean it's still alive. It's just the nerves that it has. You know, it doesn't have a brain like we do. It still is going to squirm. All right. We're still getting there. And I think we're about perfectly where we need to be. And grab the meat firmly if you can. It's very slippery. You kind of just want to cut. And it's tough. Sometimes I think it's easier to do the second side. And there you go. We got the meat off. Now, the secret right now is to try and get the skin off. So what you want to do is you want to take your thumbnail and push right here on the tip. Get your knife in there and just kind of work it in there. Okay? And you push down, the knife will flex, and you stroke it across. The skin's flexible, and there you go. There's your meat. Not too bad. Not too, I mean, it's easy. It's really easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. You could do a dozen of these in about 30 minutes. Once you get pretty familiar with filleting a fish. And there you go. We got two nice meaty fillets on just one 10-inch fish. Look at that, not too bad. That's good eating there, good eating. So, I hope you guys liked this video. It was quite an adventure, and I had a lot of fun fishing with my friend B, and I am also B. If you'd like to, please like this channel. I'd appreciate that. It really helps YouTube algorithms get my videos out to people like you. Helps this channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It's a lot of fun here. And click that bell notification so you know when my new videos come out. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. And please leave a comment below. I'd love to read that. See you next time. Have a great day.